Hi friends, welcome back to my channel iQOO. In this I'm going to show you what is the software security patch update out of the box in the iQOO 9 SE device. So it's my day one of using the iQOO 9 SE device, and right now I'll try to show you exactly what is the security patch in this device out of the box after unboxing. So that's what this video is about. And we don't know one thing, so phone comes with the Android 12 out of the box. That's pretty good advantage friends, when if you ask me, definitely, because few of other smartphones are actually coming out with the Android 11, but iQOO did take pretty good step in giving the Android 12 out of the box. That's really very good. But what about a security patch update? So what is a security patch update out of the box in the iQOO 9 SE device? Let's go to the software information, and right now let me scroll down a little bit, and right now you'll be able to find exactly security patch update is of Feb 1st. As you can clearly see friends, Feb 1st. That's pretty good. So February security patch update we got out of the box in the iQOO 9 SE device. That's really very good to see this kind of latest security patch installed in this device. That's really good. And that's it friends, thank you for watching this a quick demonstration on the what is the security patch and the software update details as well on the iQOO 9 SE device. And meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until stay tuned for more updates, and bye.